Alright guys, so this video will show you how I make and I build this wonderful check. You can see in this video you will learn how to build a wire check, how you can write a cashier check, a mobile deposit check, any kind of check, and this video is for educational purpose. So I'm going to show you all the method, the software I make use of in this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end. I don't want you to come to my DM and start asking me how did you do it, how did you do that. Please pay attention to this. It's a very easy process, right? If you're joining my channel for the first time, please subscribe, like this video, drop comment. This will encourage me to do more video like this one you are about to watch. If you don't understand anything, drop it on the comment section. Please, everything in this video is for educational purpose, right? YouTube, please take note of that. Everything in this video is for educational purpose. So let's dive in. You can see the interface, you can see how I'm editing it, right? So it's very easy. You can see where I'm putting the address, the ring road, you can see. So make sure you watch this video to the end. All right, you can use it to build any kind of check, you can use it to mail any kind of check. So those of you that have been crying looking for a way to build check, build your own personal check, your business check, all right, so this video is for you. Okay, this video is for you. So make sure you have your locks that you are going to use in building this check. And another thing, a very important thing, is when building this check, if you want the check to drop and bank to accept this check, make sure your locks are correct. To avoid mistakes, make sure your locks are correct. All right, so let's dive in. And before we proceed, we are going to install a software. All right, so this software we are going to install, it's going to contain the templates. All right, so it's going to contain the template, and I'm going to make another video on another easy method that is totally free and easy that you can do your checking from. All right, so make sure you subscribe because I'm going to drop another video about that. That one is very easy. All right, so that one is so let's go. So now the first thing I'm going to do, I'll go to my browser. So I'll go to my browser. All right, so I'm on my browser now. So I'm going to search for this software. So you can search for this software on your system. So EZ, so I'm going to call it EZ check printing. So you can search the same thing on your computer. All right, so I'm going to type EZ check printing. So I could just, okay, let me just pick okay, let me pick this one. All right, so hold on a bit. All right, so it's loading. So we are going to download this software and install this software on our machine. All right, so make sure you look for the, I will just keep searching and I will go. I like downloading it on this website. So if you come to this website, you see a lot of tools that you can download from there. You can make use of. The tools are very legit. So it's download.cnet.com, right? So now I have the software download, so I just open it. So you can see check printing setup. So I'm going to install this software on my computer now. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube account. All right, subscribe so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you are watching, you won't miss out. Please subscribe, and this will encourage me to do more video like this one you are watching. All right, make sure you drop comment. Anything you don't understand, drop comment. So everyone, okay, that's the folder. All right, that's where the installation is going. So I'm still going to keep clicking on next. I think it's time for the installation now, so let's just wait a little bit and see what happened. So why is it taking forever? Just relax. Maybe if your system is stronger than mine or faster than mine, in a tweak of an eye, before you know, everything is installed. Just relax. So I think okay, so what? Okay, we are done. Close. Let's see. So I'm going to close here now. I think we are done. So let me minimize my browser. So okay, you can see it there. So I have it there now. So I have it installed. So I'm going to double tap for the software to be open. All right, let's wait for it a little bit. It's going to load. All right, so it's here. Okay, so once you open the software, this is the first interface you are going to see. So I'm going to wide it. So this is how the software look like, right? So this is how the software look like. So now we are going to, I like making use of the template that is here. I can decide to choose another template, but I will just make use of this template. So all I'm going to do is like delete the example that is there, then replace the example with my own information. So to do that, I want you to go under account. All right, so you can see account. You can see account at the top there. Look at the top. Yeah, look at the account, then click on edit and view. All right, edit and view current check. So make sure you have your logs, right? So here is the place you are going to fill in your logs. So you can see bank name. All right, so the name of the bank. So I'm going to make use of, I will just put Chase Bank there. So I will put Chase. All right, so there's a bank name information. So that place, the information should be like the address. So let's clear this and replace this place with Chase. I don't know why, I just like working with Chase always. So I will just type Chase. This video is for educational purpose, please. Making this video so that people will know how to build their personal check, any kind of check, business check. All right, so make sure you pay attention, watch this video, and don't use any of my information found on my channel or on this video for any illegal acts. All right, please, YouTube, take notes of that. This video is for educational purpose. All right, so I'm going to, the address you see me entering here is a random address. Don't make use of these addresses. All right, any information you see on this post is not real, please. It's not real. It's not a legit one. All right, it's a random address for my head because I'm just using it for a tutorial. So I will just enter the address here. So I'm going to say Massachusetts. Yes. No, okay. B40 is in South Carolina, so I will just pick that. So you can leave the other lines there. Leave the other lines there. So here, leave it. Don't need to touch that place. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do here now, I'm going to enter the routing number, the bank account. So I will just delete some things here and I will replace it with a random number. Okay, let me take this off. So I will just say 8. Why is it looking like key? So the number should be like 10, right? Should be, yeah. So let's go with this random one. Let me count. All right, so let's go to the accounts. So you can take this off. See, all these font and setting are already on this software you are seeing. Yours is just for you to write your information and everything is going to apply. All right, so after this, I'm going to put on the amounts. Okay, I think we are done with this now. The number should be correct. Let me see. Okay, so this current check number, I'm going to change it to 11. You know, it's 2 before. This number here is the amount of check you've issued from your checkbook, if you have one. All right, so you can decide, don't use the one that is there. So just try and change it to anything. You can decide to change it to 4. All this, you don't have to touch it. These are setting the arrangement on the check. But if you know how to use it better, you can decide to make use of it. All right. So what are we going to do next now? Okay, we've not put the amount there. I've not uploaded signature, not the company logo and company address. So let's go to the company here. So I'll clean this up and I'm going to put Simplifies Creative. Like you all know, my name is Simplifies now, so I will just make use of Simplifies Creative as the company name. So here I will use a random address. I don't supposed to change all this address, but I want to do it so you know how I did it. All right. Okay, so ring road. Oh, the road is already there, which is the RD. So which state are we choosing this time? Maybe we should go with Los Angeles or California or Texas. Oh, let's go with Los Angeles then. All right, let me copy this Los Angeles and paste it on the where it say nowhere CA, then the zip code. So I'm going to copy it and paste it there. So I will just paste it here. So the phone here should be a phone number. So if you have a phone number, the company phone number, you can put it. So on your logs, you should have, if the check is a company check, a company logs, I mean, it should contain all the company information. But sometimes you don't have to put the number there. But if you have, you can put it. Alright, so I'm putting my own number there. Alright, so I'm putting my own number there. So I'm going to update this check now. So once I click on update, all the information is going to update. I think we need to put amount, but let me Have I put the amount? Let me download the check signature and the company logo for now. So guys, just pay attention how I'm going to do it. It's a random. I'm going to pick all these things. Like I said, these informations are not legit, so I'm just picking them from the internet so I can use it in making this tutorial. And this video is for educational purpose. This video is for educational purpose. YouTube, this video is strictly for educational purpose alone. So you can see I'm picking a random company logo from here. This company does not belong to me. I just saw it on the internet and I'm making use of it. All right, so you should not use it because it's not real. So I've downloaded that one. So all right, let me try and download and see. Let me do a drag and drop because I'm having little issue with my right click on my system. So I'm going to do a drag and drop. Maybe it's going to work. Maybe if I drag and drop straight, it's going to drag and drop to this place. Let me see. What is happening? So I will drag. Oh, it's not working. I'll cache again. It's not working. No. So I have to download this image on my system. I have to download it then before uploading it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this signature now. So I will just say signature png. So let me just say signature. Okay, I have it there, so I'll click on it. I'll look for a good signature. So you can actually sign on something. It's not until you go on the internet to pick somebody else's signature. You can write on a paper, a sheet of paper, take your signature to maybe like an editing app, then you take off the background from it, then you place the signature on your check, or you sign after printing. Like I say, it's for educational purpose. Whichever way, I don't know how you are going to do it, but I am downloading this signature so I will be able to use it on this tutorial. The signatures and everything here are not real. Let me download and see. I think I can't download. I'm going to do a drag and drop to the folder. So I'm going to do a drag and drop to the download folder. That's exactly what I'm going to do. All right, so I'll just drag and drop here. So I have my logo, I have my the signature now. So what I'm going to do here, you can see where it says signature. Look at that box there, that cycle, what did they call it, that square. Click on it, wait a little bit, then select the signature. Okay, I'm going to put it on all so everything can come up. What is happening now? Okay, now we have it. So I'll click on the signature. All right, so now I have the signature. So here I'm going to select the company logo still. So I will do the same process. You should know all this by now, so make sure you watch this video today, and please subscribe and share this video so I will update, so anyone who want to learn all this process will learn. You see how awesome this is? Look at the signature. All right, if this signature is too big, there are ways you could adjust them. Look at the company logo. You see how awesome the company logo is? So maybe my next tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can I rearrange this this user interface, this UI. I'm going to show you how you can rearrange them to modify it in other ways. So now we are going to put the amount there. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can put amount, because right there I think we have just $100. All right, so I will show you how you can edit the amount to your taste so that you can put any amount you want to put in the check. All right, so let's go. All right, so I'll click on new. So this new now, you see that this new is here with what we have edited already. So here I'm going to put the name of the person that is going to receive this money, that is the account. All right, maybe you are sending, if I'm sending this check to somebody else, that somebody else's name will be the one to be here. All right, so the information you fill before is where the money is going to be taken from. So the debitor account, and this one is going to be the creditor. They will credit this one. All right, so I have it there. So here the pay, I'm still going to repeat the same thing. So if the name is different, you can do that here. Then after that, I'm going to put make sure you build your check in a professional way. Don't use capital letter in a place and you use small letter in a place. If you're starting all your text with capital letter, make sure that everything you do throughout in the check should be starting from capital letter. So now I'm entering the address because it requires it. So you can see that I've changed the amount to 7,600. All right, so avenue, I say Dog and Cat Avenue, that's what I see. So I know the name is funny. All right, so I'm thinking about the state. So I think I'm still going to use South Carolina. I'm going to edit back the address I used in the first place. Why am I putting SA there when it's not South Africa? I want to say SC, which is South Carolina. So I'm still going to change it later. So I will change it later. So let's finish up with this. We are almost done. So sorry the video is too long. So I will click on save. Is there anything else? All right, so this memo you are seeing here is just like a description what you want to use this money for. All right, so for me, I'm going to add rent for January or something. Maybe I should just put something like that. So maybe I should make it like this one is for rent. I'm using it to pay rent, like I'm issuing it for the person to pay rent. So if you have your own, you can use a language for maintenance or something sha. So me, I'm putting this one, rent for January. Let's use January 2025. Should be okay. Oh god, where am I putting at? 2025. You see that this tutorial is free. Please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube. Encourage me so I can do more video like this. Just drop comment, please. Drop comments. All right. So the dates, I put the date on 7 in case you can decide to put your own today, any day you want, depend on your dispatch or something. So a check can be written ahead. So you see everything is there. So once you are done, You can see at the top there, if you want to import and export, you can export. So if you want to print the check, you can see below there, you can see print to. All right, if you want to refresh, is there. If you want to clear, is there. So you can see the print there. So once you click on print now, you will be able to save this check. Is either you save it on a Microsoft Office file, or you save it on a PDF file, whichever one you care to save. But for me, I like saving anything like this on a PDF file. So okay, let me edit this and put see there. So I'm just going to click on update. So I'll click on update. So it's going to be correct automatically, right? It's going to be correct automatically. So let me see again. So let's click on the import and see. So if you want to, this one is if you want to import, this one if you want to export to CSV file, is another kind of file, but we don't need that one. So what we need right now is, let's go to print, click on print. Okay, we need to select, so I'll click on select, then click on print. So hold on a little bit, let's see what we have. So now there you have to select the format you want to print the check on. So they have PDF, have other blah blah. So for me, this one is Notepad. I'm going to the PDF. So if you click on any amount, if you click on OK, you should be able to print. It's going to come up, then you print. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be dropping more updates this 2025. Please subscribe, like this video, comment, share my link, share, make sure all right, bye.